there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a collaboration video. This video is going to be in collaboration with Davey, my friend Davey from the channel Davey Killian. We are going to be doing some thrift store makeovers. So the last thrift store makeover video that I did, you guys seem to really enjoy, which is super fun for me because I enjoy doing them. So we thought it would be fun to do another one, and Davey is going to join along with me. So I am going to just do one makeover today, and I am going to make over this breadboard here. I found it at the thrift store. It's actually in pretty decent condition, but I have a number of these that I use actually as breadboards and as, you know, display for food and stuff like that. This one I'm going to give a makeover to give it a new function. It was $3.99, but I got 25% off. So yeah. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I've taken something similar to this before and given it a makeover. So if you haven't seen that, I will link it up here. I made a little vase from there. That was, I think, probably one of my favorite DIYs that I've ever done on my channel. But I'm going to do something different with this. So I'm going to get right to the DIYing. I hope that you guys enjoy. Here is the final product. It's basically just a place to dry herbs because we're coming into summertime, garden time, and even if I don't grow herbs myself, I know my dad does, so we can get some herbs from him and dry them here and then use them throughout the year. So we've just got some herbs here that we got from the grocery store that are ready to dry out so that they don't go bad. And yeah, I really love it. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!